Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna do some slime collection. Before you go starting this video, please give a big thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. And yeah, let's just start it. First slime I'm gonna show you is a cool slime. This is such my favorite slime. It's a crystal slime, as you can see. I know it has some hair in here, but it's okay. It's just dirty already. You can see here. So sticky on it. So yeah, let me poke it on here. There you go. So there you go. Put it all back. Put it there. The next one is this one. It's just another piece of slime, but I know. So let's open it. And this was a violet one. And poke it here. And let me see it. And yeah, let me take it back on her where he's from. And next I'm gonna show you is this ugly one. This is my oldest slime. This is my super new slime, and this is my old. And this just looks like already a rubber. And you can chop it into 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, I don't know. And it's already, you can chop it. Sometimes it's pretty cool, but I don't like it anymore. So let you see it. I know it looks like so disgusting, but when I buy it, it looks like gold, and now it looks like a poopy, dirty, I don't know. So where did that go? So let me put it where he from. And it's not actually poking. And next one is this one, the pink one. I really like this because it's like I mix it with clay.
Diba? Lele. Ang sama oh. Ano pinabutos ko tapos natin yun?
And this one's super soft, super stretchy. Stretch. I love it. So I'm gonna let you see. Okay, I'm just gonna arrange this like to this, to this. You can arrange it, guys, but I'm just gonna try it. Try it. Okay, I can't do it, but it's okay. So let's just start poking it.
Gusto mo gawin tubig?
It's actually make a sound, but it's super. Sometimes it has sound. I hope you can hear it. Okay. This was so soft and it looked like a bubble gum. And let's take it back. Where he from? And let's try to poke it here. I really like this. Super soft. Put it here. And next is this one, the yellow one.
Si Fernan?
I can open it like cover sometimes. It can't open. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Here we go. This is my new. Okay. Super soft and it's like so foamy. So stretchy and not that soundy. So let's try and arrange it. And let's try. I can actually take it so right. And yeah, it don't have a sound. Okay, here it is. Get back in it. The next one is this, another white, and it has a plastic on it again. There you go. That's pretty easy than the yellow one. Super satisfying. This is a white one. This is so soft, so stretchy. And yeah, let's try to do actually there's no sound on it, so we don't need to book it. The last one is the closed one.
Kaya kay Bal.
Okay, and it's just the harder one. There you go.
Ano?